Good afternoon, friends. Welcome to our class, our channel. Today I will teach you how to draw a bracelet. A bracelet, that's one you wear on your wrist. Here, a bracelet is more like a pattern circle. It looks like a pattern circle with a similarity of circle rotating. We rotate, circles keep going round, circles keep going round, circles keep going round, and a difference of the white space at the center of the rotated circles. Therefore, I beg you to watch every drag and drop carefully. So let's start our drawing. First thing you do as usual is to reduce the size of your sprite. Reduce it to 50. Let's use 50. Reduce your sprite to 50. Then you add on to your control, your events. Go to your event. Let's go to the event. From the event, drag down when flag is clicked. Let's head to the motion block. From the motion, let's bring in go to X. And in this go to X, we'll be using 0 on X and -100 on Y. -100 on Y. Now this will take us to our extension. From our extension block, we are bringing in the pencil, and once the pencil is in, dragging the erase all. Then we need to use our pen down, dragging your pen down. Go to set color, bring in your set color. In this place you can set your color to whatever you want. I'm setting it to this. I'm using a black color. Then I will go to my set pen size, that's the thickness of each line. Let's enter 3 here. Let's use 3. Then we go to the control block now. From the control block, we bring in repeats. We are using repeats because we are having 2 sets of repeats now. We are using 2 repeats, as we need, like we did in other circles drawing. Here, enter 36 because we want the circles to be 36. Here, you repeat that 36 again because we are placing it round. Then we go to our motion. From our motion, we bring in move 10 steps. These 10 steps, this 10 should be converted to 4. Then you take your turn 15-degree left. Instead of the right, you are using the left. You can use the right if you wish, but in this tutorial I'm using the left, so you can try in your own while creating yours using right. I'm using 10 here. So as I'm done now, I have to repeat this particular code again. I bring in move here. I set it to 20 this time. 20. Then I still bring this in. I set it to 10. I set it to 10. Now that we are done, let's see the beauty of this by clicking on our green flag. But it's better I zoom the screen first and I click on the green flag. Okay, then you see that the space is much. It's going to take the drawing round. As we programmed to take it round because we entered 36 circles. So it's going to give us 36 circles round. Still coming this way. And as you can see, like I said from the beginning, a bracelet looks like a pattern circle, but the difference is a pattern circle is meeting at this joint. A bracelet is not meeting. There is a space where you can put in your hand. That's your wrist, because a bracelet is worn on the wrist. You see now that the circle is actually big enough to enter the wrist. So now we are done. We are done here. We are done with drawing a bracelet. So to beautify it, let's add little beauty to it. After this, we can add little beauty by going to our pen. When we get to our pen, we look for change pen color. Change pen color by 10. We can set it here. Let's put it here. Let's change the pen color by 10, or let's change it by 25. Let's change it by 25. And from here we use full screen control, then click on the green flag and see. The color is supposed to change. The color is supposed to change. If the color is not changing, then I'll have to stop it and reset my color. Everything here is black. Wow. Everything here is black and it's not supposed to be black. So I'm setting the color here. Let me reset it here and see what we achieve now. And we run the code. Let's see if the colors will be different. Now the colors are different, but it's running towards a wrong direction. It's going towards the direction that you will not be able to see it. Let's bring it back here and set it back to 90. Set it back to 90. It's 91. Let's set it back to 90. When it's 90, let's run it from here and see. Let's bring this to 0 and bring this to 0. Let this to be 0 and run it from here. Let's see. You see it now? It's actually giving us a bracelet, a beautiful bracelet with mixed colors. Each circle is carrying different colors, and there is beauty. That's the beauty of it. That we make it look beautiful. Instead of having a dull mix of colors, here we have a perfect mix of beautiful colors. So I'm going to say a very big thank you for being part of this class. See you in our next class. Thank you very, very much.